Let's look at this question. The area of a square parcel of land is 256 meters square. A rectangular field of length 20 meters has the same perimeter as the parcel of land. We have to find the area of the field, meaning we need to know the width of the rectangular field before we can find the area. So let's pick it from there. This is WASSCE 2024 September edition. So if I pick this as a parcel of land, then the rectangular field will also be this. It has a length of 20 meters. This is what we are looking for, which is the width. Now this we can find as the length, right? The length will be the same, but the area has been given as 256 meters square. So we need to know what the length will be before we can find the perimeter. So we know area of a square is equals to L square. Okay, in this case, let's see x square, length times length, right? So the area is 256 meters square equals to the x square. Now we need to find the square root of both sides. So we have the root of x square equals to the root of 256 meters square. X will be equals to 16 times 16 give us 256. So I have 16 meters. That is the length of the squared parcel of land. What will be the perimeter? Perimeter is going to be perimeter, right? Will be 4 times x. So 4 times 16 meters, 40 plus 24, that will be 64 meters. So this perimeter is the same as the perimeter of what? The rectangle. So we can see that perimeter of the rectangle is going to be 2 the length plus what? The width, which will be the breadth. So now this perimeter has already been known as 64. Is the same. So we have 64 equals to 2 times the length, which we have been given as 20, plus the breadth, which we have indicated as what? Y. Right? This is the analogy or the equation we can get from here. This is 2 multiplying, so 2 can divide. So I'll divide by 2. Therefore, 2 into 64, that will be 32 equals to 20 plus y. So we need to subtract 20 from both sides. So y equals to 32 minus 20. And that will make y to be equals to what? 12. So the length here, the breadth will be 12. The length will be 20. So area will be equals to length times breadth equals to 20 times 12. That will give you 240 meter squared if you find that multiplication on your calculator. So 240 is the option D, 240 meter squared. The concept is area of a rectangle, area of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square. That's the concept built in this question. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.